So, my car has a high flow cat, and I really don't like a loud FD. I never have. I just don't like the big fan of the rotary sound. And but this has a high flow cat, and it's I'm really smelling it, and I kind of would like to see the flames that the FDs make. Um, so I'm really thinking about going catless. It has a high flow cat now, so I don't know how much it's actually going to change, but maybe you'll hear the turbo better, because you really don't hear the turbo or anything out the exhaust that I know of. But let me set you down and let you hear it, and then we'll do a comparison of a cold start with a high flow cat and a without. And just so you know, my car is full exhaust. It is still twin turbo. It's a feed downpipe. I think they call it a sonic downpipe. And then it goes to a high flow cat. I have no idea what brand or anything. And then after the cat, it's a HKS Hi Power downpipe. Or cat pack. So let's hear it. I think it's all 3-inch too. Will this sit here? Will this sit here? Oh, that kind of works. Alright. Cold start. After cat removal. Just kidding, just kidding. Catless cold start, 7:30 in the morning. Alright, so I drove around about 2 nights now with no cat, and it is definitely way louder, especially floored. When I floored, it's night and day louder, which kind of sucks. Also, does the rotary noise way more so, like where it sounds like you can hear, like two engine noises at the same time. I don't know how to explain it, but it didn't do that with a cat. Without a cat, it does that noise now. So I hear, like, where it sounds like it's echoing. I don't know, it's hard to explain. And then the third thing is it's higher pitched. So I definitely like the way it sounds with the cat, way more so. But the pluses is it seems a way faster. It has traction issues in third now, and I gained a 1 pound of boost, so it's at 15 pounds now. It's not like I need to get a retune or anything because it was set up without a cat, and then the previous owner put a cat on it, so it's probably meant to have 15 pounds. That's probably why it feels so much faster too. Maybe it's now leaning out a little bit to where it's supposed to be at, because it was at 14 pounds with the cat. But yeah, I still need to raise it up. But that's where we're at. So quite a difference. I don't know if the video showed it, but without the cat, it's quite a bit noisier, and everything sound-wise I don't like as much, but performance-wise I do. See ya!